I've been around Kundalini for a really long time, like back in the 90s actually, and it's been quite an incredible journey, and here we are today. A lot of times people ask, what is Kundalini? You know, what is this force? And the best way I describe it is this innate intelligence of embodied consciousness as it begins to awaken to itself, or it's this subtle inner intuition within our inside in relation to our exterior environment, or it can be explained as the energy of consciousness, or the energy of the cosmos within each one of us. When the Kundalini starts to awaken within us, we begin to expand our creative capacity and our radiant nature. Our radiant nature is our ability to connect and attract from a distance. We become like more electromagnetic beings.